Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started. Our number one pick is Huffy Stone Mountain Hardtail mountain bike. The Huffy Stone Mountain Hardtail mountain bike is an excellent entry-level bike for casual riders of all ages. It combines a durable frame, multiple speed options, and comfortable design, making it a great value for recreational use. While it may not be suitable for advanced mountain biking, it's a reliable choice for light trails, commutes, or family cycling outings. A solid, affordable choice for beginners and casual riders seeking comfort and versatility. Perfect for riders who are new to mountain biking or looking for a casual bike for trails and commutes. Ideal for those who want a dependable bike for light off-road adventures or neighborhood rides. With smaller frame sizes, it's a good starter bike for kids and teens, equipped with a padded saddle and ergonomic handlebars, ensuring a comfortable ride even on long outings. Comes in sleek and vibrant designs, appealing to both younger and older riders. 0.6 speed version is perfect for casual riders or beginners. 0.2 1-speed Shimano twist shifter provides versatility for tackling hills and trails. Front suspension absorbs shocks for smooth rides over bumps. Dual suspension models offer extra comfort for rough terrains. 20-inch frame for younger riders. 24-inch frame for pre-teens or shorter adults. 26-inch frame for teens and adults. Includes a padded comfort saddle to provide support and comfort during long rides. Our second best beginner mountain bike is Dynacraft AirZone Aftershock 20-inch mountain bike. Suitable for young riders, providing the ideal size for balance and control. A sleek, sporty look with vibrant colors that appeals to young adventurers. The sturdy steel frame ensures durability and stability, perfect for active kids. The knobby tires provide good traction on both paved roads and light off-road trails. Absorbs shocks from uneven surfaces, offering a smoother and more comfortable ride. Single-speed gearing makes it beginner-friendly and low maintenance for kids learning to ride. The Dynacraft AirZone Aftershock 20-inch mountain bike is a fantastic option for kids eager to embark on their biking adventures. Designed with rugged durability, this bike offers a balance of performance, safety, and style. Whether it's for cruising around the neighborhood or exploring light trails, the Aftershock is built to inspire confidence in young riders, perfect for kids who are ready to transition from basic bikes to a more robust model. Ideal for those exploring light trails, parks, or neighborhood streets. A sturdy, stylish, and beginner-friendly bike that offers excellent value for budding adventurers. Each Dynacraft bike is meticulously crafted using premium materials and state-of-the-art manufacturing processes. Third choice in our list is Pacific Cavern mountain bike. Whether you're cruising on neighborhood streets or exploring light trails, this bike is designed to meet the needs of both casual riders and budding adventurers. The Pacific Cavern mountain bike offers a versatile and affordable entry into biking for youth and adults alike. Its combination of size options, gear versatility, and rugged build makes it a great choice for a wide range of riders. Available in 20, 24, and 26-inch wheels with frame sizes ranging from 11 to 17.5 inches, accommodating both youth and adult riders, ease with 7-speed or 21-speed twist shifters, making it adaptable for different terrains and riding styles. Durable and robust, the steel frame is built to handle bumps and scrapes from regular use. absorbs shocks from uneven terrain, ensuring a smoother and more comfortable ride, includes a kickstand, a thoughtful addition for easy parking and storage. Provide excellent grip on both pavement and light trails. Ideal for those starting their biking journey and needing a dependable, budget-friendly option. Great for adults looking for an affordable bike for casual rides or light trail exploration. Perfect for kids transitioning to a more advanced bike. Mountain bike, featuring a steel hardtail frame that's ready to hit the trail. 20-inch wheels fit riders ages 7 to 30. Number 4 in our side is Dynacraft Vertical Alpine Eagle Mountain Bike. The Dynacraft Vertical Alpine Eagle mountain bike is a solid option for teens and preteens looking for a sturdy and beginner-friendly mountain bike. It delivers reliability, comfort, and style at an affordable price point. While it may not cater to more experienced riders, it's an excellent choice for those just starting their biking journey. Equipped with knobby tires for good traction on trails, streets, or parks. Convenient for parking the bike upright without needing external support. Smooths out bumps on uneven terrain, enhancing rider comfort and control. Allows for easy gear changes, ideal for beginners learning to use multi-speed bikes, built to withstand the rigors of young riders, offering excellent durability and stability. Features bold colors and graphics that appeal to teens, giving the bike a sporty and adventurous look. The twist shifter is simple to operate, which is perfect for those just starting with multi-speed bikes. The front suspension and padded saddle ensure a smoother and more enjoyable biking experience. Last in our top 5 best beginner mountain bike list is Schwinn High Timber Mountain Bike. The front suspension absorbs shocks effectively, making it a comfortable choice for uneven trails and reducing strain on the rider's arms and shoulders. Schwinn is a trusted brand, and this bike maintains that reputation with sturdy construction and a sleek design. The inclusion of a kickstand adds to its practicality for parking and storage. The 24-inch wheels are perfect for youth riders, while the 29-inch options cater to taller individuals or those who prefer better ground clearance. The all-terrain tires provide excellent grip on gravel, dirt trails, and pavement. With 7 or 21 speed options, this bike accommodates both beginners who prefer simpler controls and seasoned riders who need more versatility for uphill climbs and faster speeds. The Shimano gear system ensures smooth shifting. The availability of both aluminum and steel frames allows users to choose based on their preference for lightweight performance or rugged durability.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.